I'm a lot like most other shooters. I started very young, started shooting when I was 13 with my dad, and yeah, after that first time shooting rabbits, every spare moment I had, I wanted to be shooting, I wanted to be hunting. I used to cut school to go hunting. For a young guy from the country who spent every spare moment shooting, hunting, camping, it was no surprise I got drawn to life of soldiering, and I did that for 20 years, and I loved every moment of it. But I never lost my passion for shooting. Always loved shooting recreationally, and that's never left me. And I've gone down this journey of starting out shooting long range and just continually trying to see what else I can do. How can I do more of it? I'm Ben, and you're watching the Long Gun Project. I hope you join me on my long range journey.